Hello everyone, this is Abhishek Bagherwal. Welcome to Salesforce Flow Builder series. In this video, I'm going to talk about Apex triggered flows. So let's get started. So I'm going to create a flow which is going to update a field on a specific contact record, or it could be on all contact records, but I'm going to trigger that flow from Apex. Okay, so first I'm going to create a new flow, and here I'm selecting Autolaunched flow that you can invoke from Apex as well. Okay, click create. Here you need to provide what action. Directly you need to provide the action. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna update contact, and I'm gonna say, okay, specify the condition to find out the contact record, and I'm just still gonna use direct ID. So this contact record. Okay, once I get this contact record, what I'm gonna do, let's say, is there, okay, we have, is there any field, count, preferred language, we have description field, so I'll just remove what is there already. Okay, so I'm gonna update the description field. Okay, so I'm selecting description, and value I'm giving some static value. This field is updated from a flow which is triggered from Apex. Okay, click done. Let's save it. Update contact description from Apex triggering. Okay, Apex triggering flow. Click save, and let's activate it. Now you need to have the syntax to call this flow from Apex. So that would be, I'll go to this developer console, I'll open execute anonymous window. So the syntax to call the flow is flow dot interview dot name of the flow. Okay, so API name of the flow, you can get it from here. So this is the API name of our flow, and we need to instantiate this flow. So I can say my flow here equals to new, and I need to copy this whole, and I need to paste it here. Okay, so once that is done, now you need to provide a map in this. When you are calling this any flow, you need to provide a map over here. So in some cases your flow needs some parameters. In that case you can provide the values using that map, but even if you are not in the need of any parameter in your flow, you still need to provide a blank map over here, otherwise it will not call your flow. So I'm just gonna say new map of, let's say, string, comma, object, and I'm gonna say that like this. I'm gonna instantiate this map, and it is blank, as you can see. Now next thing would be using this variable dot start. Okay, so now I'm gonna select it and I'm gonna execute it. Okay, it says to me session expired. So let me open the developer console again. And I'll open the execute anonymous window again here. Oh, it didn't copied one thing. Okay, let me write it down again. Flow dot interview dot name of a flow, my flow equals to new, and this whole I need to take it over there. Then inside this a new map, string comma object, this semicolon, and below my flow dot start execute highlighted. So let's see in the logs the flow has run through. Let's see a record whether this description is updated or not. So as you can see, the description has been updated. That means the flow has run properly. So this exact same message we have given in this flow, that this field is updated from a flow which is triggered from Apex. Okay, so that is what updated over here. So that means our flow has run properly. So that is how you can configure an auto launch to flow and invoke it from Apex. And this would be the syntax to call the flow, flow.interview.api name of the flow, and you need to instantiate it like you instantiate any object or any class. And the thing to keep in mind here is you need to provide a map. It could be a blank map if you do not need any parameters to be passed in your flow, but you need to provide it. If you do not provide it, then it's gonna show you the error message. I'll show you that. So as you can see, constructor not defined. That kind of error message it's gonna give it to you. So you need to provide the map. A blank map is fine if you do not need any parameters in your flow. So that is how you can call a flow, an auto-launched flow from Apex. That was all about this video. If you find the content helpful, please like it and comment on it. If you have any queries, for more please subscribe my channel as Abhishek Banerwal. Thank you.